How to report a seller on Mercari. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can report a seller on Mercari. The first step is to go to the Mercari website and then sign in. Once you sign in, the next step is for you to navigate to the listing you want to report. The listing is the same as item, so just navigate to the item and then open up the item. All right, so just select the category of the item first of all. So once the page has loaded, you can see the different items found. So select the one that you would like to report. All right, select the item that you have in mind to report, and then you wait for the page to load as well. Once that's loaded, the next thing to do is for you to move to the top right corner of the item. You will see a thumbnail. Now, the reason why there's no thumbnail for this item is because Mercari takes time to review items before they are being published. So on most occasions, you rarely see items that you are to report. But on some rare occasions, you might see some products that you want to report. So for that kind of a situation, you will see the thumbnail by the top right corner. Click on that, and by clicking on the thumbnail, you'll be asked to select your reason for reporting the item. Select the reason, and then once it's submitted, that item will be reported to Mercari, and then the report will be reviewed and the item will be removed if found to be valid. So that is how it works. That is how you can report an item on Mercari. But then if you cannot find the thumbnail icon and you still want to report this item, the next step will be for you to reach out to the customer support. So chat up with the customer support, reach out to them, tell them you'd like to report so item, all right, and then give them further details. You can even add screenshots if you want to, and it will be looked into. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.